In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice in Xero. Start from your Xero dashboard and head to the sales area. This is where all customer invoices live, and it's the quickest way to get a clear list of what's outstanding, what's been approved, and what's still in progress. From there, open invoices to see the full register. To make sure you can change every detail, switch to the Draft tab. Draft invoices are fully editable, which is ideal when you're correcting details or building a new bill that isn't ready to send yet. Find the draft you want to work on and open it. If you have lots of records, use the search and filters to narrow it down by contact, date, or amount. Once the invoice is open, you'll see the editor with all the key fields. Start with the contact field. Choose the correct customer from your list. You can type a few letters to search, and Xero will populate saved details like default addresses. Getting the contact right ensures the invoice goes to the right place and links properly to that customer's history. Next, set the issue date. This controls the accounting period and appears on the customer's copy. Pick the date you want the invoice to take effect, not necessarily today, especially if you're catching up on prior work. Then set the due date. Xero may suggest a date based on your payment terms, but you can override it to match a specific agreement or a purchase order requirement. Clear due dates help customers pay on time and keep your aging reports accurate. Enter a reference. This is perfect for a purchase order number, a job code, or any internal note that helps you and your customer identify what the invoice relates to. It appears on the invoice and makes searching and reporting easier later. Now review the line items. In the item field, select the product or service you're billing for. Choosing an item pulls in preset descriptions, unit prices, accounts, and tax rates, which speeds things up and keeps coding consistent. Adjust the quantity, unit price, or description as needed so the line reflects exactly what you delivered. Take a second to confirm the tax rate and account are correct for your region and reporting. When everything looks accurate, click Save and Close. This commits your changes and returns you to the invoice list. If the button is disabled, check for required fields like contact or dates. Before you move on, give totals and tax a final glance to avoid surprises later. And that's it. You've successfully edited a draft invoice in Xero, keeping your records clean and your billing on track.